it feels to be a mechanic, bro.
Another day in the office.
Here's another day in the office. Yeah, looking like a real mechanical.
Come to me, $500. I got it done in 30 minutes.
Hey, Mr. George, what you hiding?
How much you pay for this guy? $20? Too much. Oh shit, too much.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. We just washed this car not long ago, and this car's already mad dirty. That's crazy. It's just winter things, man. I can't wait for the summer. We're gonna go crazy. This is not gonna be like a DIY. What the f, bro? What's it called? Yeah. DIY video, because we honestly don't know what we're doing. We got the Sticks Mobile right here. I still hasn't got a wash, but bro, it's just too cold. Bro. I don't even care. And we got this going up. I'm teaching my boy how to be a mechanic. Yeah. That's how it goes, bro.
Type beat.
You know where it is though?
Hell no.
Bruh.
Nigga, we about to find out. She's not gonna follow me if I go underneath.
I hope not. Nigga, that's why I be telling myself that every single time I get out of my car, bro. I be like, is that shit gonna fall on me if I go under? So guys, if you guys are wondering what the hell is going on, so we gotta do the oil change on this Audi, I don't know what this is, S3. It's our first time doing it, so we have no idea what we're doing. Bro, why you look like a mechanic though? You dead ass got the mechanic flow right now.
Yeah, right? That's why I put up with this fit with the dirty ass sneakers. And
dead ass, bro. Nigga got the little ass pan.
Oh, push it forward.
Fuck, I can't.
Push it forward.
I can't. You took it off already?
No, it's about to come off.
It's gonna shoot.
Move it.
Yo, just take it out, nigga. I told you it's gonna shoot out. Yo, what is this mess?
On me. Alright, now we just wait.
So guys, so pretty much all you need is a special tool. Let me see the tool. I'm not touching that shit. You need one of these special tools right here, cause they got like these plugs that you gotta order from. Where you got these shit from, bro? Amazon? They got these special tools on Amazon. I don't know
at the store, it was $10 just for one plug. Nah, I got $10 the screw.
And these, right?
Yeah.
No, that's stupid. So you get these special plugs on Amazon, and it comes with the tool that you need to take off the little cap that got under the car. So now we're draining the oil, pretty much waiting for it to drain.
It's not that black.
Yeah, it's good, bro. You'll be alright. Was the oil hot when you did it? When you took it off?
It wasn't OD hot, but it was hot.
Yeah. There you go. That's where the oil's gonna go, guys. Waiting for that shit to drain out, pretty much. This is where the filter is. So this filter we gotta change out. For BMWs, they're mad complicated, bro. They got it like under the fucking engine. But yeah, pretty much waiting for the oil to finish draining, so we can go ahead. Does your thing have like a little system to like reset? They should. You know how to do that?
Yeah, I do. Damn, I killed a bird in this.
Why is that shit? Is that broken or is like that? Why that shit look like it's broken? It's a front lip that we installed last video. If you guys didn't check that video out, make sure you go do that. We put on the side skirts, but he don't know how to walk. He already kicked them shits off, so no more side skirts, I guess. Gotta stay warm.
I do want $20.
It's like two for 40. Bro, you literally came over here and wasted my nap time, bro. See, you can't say I don't love you, nigga. Nigga, I be napping right now, bro.
I got out of work, nigga. What are you talking about? I got out of work.
Yeah, but this is your car, nigga. This is not my car. Nigga remind me of the raid, of the Destiny raid. Niggas was in the raid while watching a tutorial, bro.
So you know what you're doing?
Niggas
yeah. Who's watching a YouTube video?
Yo. Yeah, so I don't know if you guys played Destiny before, but we was doing a raid one time, right? And it was like my first time doing it. And I didn't know what I was doing, but I was in a raid group that apparently everybody in there knew how to do it.
For 3 days.
Nah, he wildin'. So as we were doing the raid, I was watching a tutorial on the raid, bro, and I forgot to mute my mic. So somebody in the game was like, "Who's watching a tutorial video?" I mute my shit so fucking fast, bro. I was like, "Oh shit!" But
nigga, why this shit so like weird?
Oh, cause I put that on there for some shit. Cause remember my shit, I gotta turn it. But right now we're taking off the oil filter. Damn, that one's so simple, bro. Yeah, I'll spin that. But yeah, guys, this shit was not funny, bro. Cause he's literally watching a tutorial as we're doing this thing. We're wannabe mechanics, bro. We're fake mechanics. but get the job done. Now you gotta keep. Oh, that's it. You gotta take it out with your hands. You gotta like grab that and take it out. What do you mean? How it feels to be a mechanic, bro?
Another day in the office.
Nigga's another day in the office. Nigga first time touching his car, talking about another day in the office. That's it, bro. Damn, what are you trying to do?
Shit in there.
Put that shit in the fucking washer? Just put it the same way you had that one. Where you going, back to the tutorial?
Our new drain plug. In by hand.
Shut up.
Got my torque wrench
Copyright.
Set. This is a 32 mil, 25.
But yeah, guys, we just switched that. Now we're pretty much gonna put it back, and that's what she wrote, folks. Yeah, looking like a real mechanical.
Come to me, $500. I got it done in 30 minutes.
Yo, this shit is nice and tight, bro. We're supposed to torque it, but I don't really want to do that right now. Hey, Mr. George, what you hiding?
How much you pay for this guy? $20. Too much. Oh shit, too much.
Yo, this is too funny, bro. Alright, guys, after 50,000 hours of waiting for this car to finish draining the old oil, we just pretty much put in the new oil. I think this car takes 5.7 liters, right? Mm-hmm. Of oil. And we're using 5W40. So, yeah, pretty much putting that in here now. And after that, we're pretty much it, man. That's pretty much it. I wanna kill my mom. I wanna kill my dad. I wanna kill my grandma. Turn around and die. And that's what she wrote, folks. That's pretty much how you change your oil, bro. It's pretty simple. YouTube got all the answers for you guys. Yeah, if you ever need something, go on YouTube or go on my YouTube channel. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. And appreciate you guys, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Peace.